Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. In this video, I'm going to see how to fix Adobe error code 107 Mac. First, if you are installing Adobe fresh, then you need to install Adobe Creative Cloud for it. As you can see, we have already downloaded Adobe Creative Cloud. As you can see, there are two files in this folder. The first file is Adobe Creative Cloud Silicon, which means you can install it from Apple M1 to M4. The second file is Adobe Creative Cloud Intel. I have this Apple Mac Intel chip that I am installing, so I will select it and install it. Then we double-click on mouse left side button this Adobe Lightroom install file and install it. Now we have successfully installed Adobe Lightroom. If this does not work on your computer, try the next option, Adobe Creative Cloud. You already installed it said. You choose this option. Repair the CC Desktop app. Download the Creative Cloud uninstaller from Adobe's website. Run the uninstaller and choose the repair option. Wait for the process to complete. Launch the CC app. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.